Now you can chat with your tutor using the Tutopiya platform. These chats will be recorded and monitored for training and quality assurance purposes. Remember that this chat should not be used to share contact details, make any payments, reschedule or cancel lessons. We advise you to please use the appropriate platform features provided for payments, rescheduling, and booking lessons. To start the chat, simply click on the Proceed button. And now you are a click away from reaching your tutor.
Now, let's have a look at the chat features. The left side shows the tutors assigned to you. To start a chat with a tutor, simply click on their name. Once you send a message, the single tick confirms that your message has been sent. If the double tick turns blue, this means your message has been delivered and seen by the tutor. We hope this brings you a positive experience. Happy learning!